Okay, now butt it up. Yeah, we didn't even check the level, and it's perfect.
Wow.
That was the most sarcastic wow.
Yeah, so we literally put up this truss just so that we could trace a line along the top of it. We're gonna come back in a minute here with a giant saw and just cut the whole wall to match the pitch of the truss. So our gable wall, this is our gable wall here. We're gonna cut into a peak to match our truss. It'll actually be maybe a 1/4 inch lower than the truss is, so that the roof fits over the top of it. Now we got to take it down and.
How do you know all this?
I don't know. Yeah. All right, can't start it like that. It's too far out. Heavy.
Do we want to? I guess we could just go back the other way later.
No, I'm gonna just start higher up and kind of like squeeze into the wall.
Yes, the old pencil trick.
Yeah, this is a nice trick for like maximum safety.
Yeah, that looks safe.
It is safe, okay?
Do you want 3 pencils?
I want something that's a little tapered because the pencil wasn't wide enough. Here. Perfect.
Feels like he's
struggling. Yeah, he doesn't like it very much. Difficult. It can't go very fast, otherwise it bogs it down.
I quickly realized. I wonder if he just maybe needs a new blade.
It probably does.
Needs a lot of things, I think. A little off there.
Yeah, we need to go down.
You can always come back and trim it though.
Yeah.
I'm thinking these little guys, like Sawzall, or maybe
Probably, yeah, for the
maybe
little
jigsaw.
The little ones that are just sticking up.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is actually, it's slow, but it works. It's way better than doing it with the Sawzall all the way up.
I bet.
Yeah, we probably will have to trim it a little though.
Yeah.
Damn.
That's right.
Yeah, the new cedar looks like nice. Yes. And it's also as So the way that the house was designed, or at least how the roof was designed, was half of the truss sits on top of our back wall. The other half of the truss is hung off of this beam that runs the entire length of the house. So right here, all along the beam, we've put a bunch of hangers on. So these hangers we've installed with a bunch of nails. After they're on, we pick the trusses up, we lift them over the back edge of the house, and then drop them into the hanger, and then tack them up in place. and then from there we'll have to get up there and start blocking everything out, spacing everything, nailing everything in so that it's exactly where we need it to be. But for now, today we've just got our hangers up and we're going to be setting trusses up and getting them in their approximate locations. We can't get them in their final location until we finish both of the king trusses on each side. But yeah, that's what we're up to right now. That's what these are. That's why they're everywhere. So what we're up to right now, Alex is over there. He's in the rafter factory. So he's making rafters so that we can put them up to build our roof over in the raftered areas. I'm nailing in the trusses here along the wall so that our eave matches up evenly. So if you want to look out here, you can see a string line. So it's secured on one end, secured all the way clear on the other end. And I'm just lining up every gable or every eave part of the truss and nailing it off so that when I come through here in a second and block everything in, I'm not shifting it back and forth and getting my roof uneven. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just pinning these in place so I can go through and block it out. And Alex is over there cutting forever. Get back to me. He's ready. Huh?
Is this huge stack what needs to be cut?
Yep.
Awesome.
Yep. And they weigh like 4 million pounds.
And you're gonna have to like slip it through a truss further down.
Yeah. Kind of right there, maybe?
Yeah. Woo. There we go. This is to block out the trusses, so to keep them from wiggling this way.
Subscribe or your house will fall down.